Hi, welcome to another incredible Make.com based automation where we'll generate a short form YouTube video. And this is a cost effective solution. So every Make.com scenario or automation that we create, we will ensure that we add some innovative edge to it so that we save the number of modules that we need to use and also the number of operation. We will see how, but before we begin, we will play a short video of 30 seconds and see if you like it. That is the video that we are going to make using our Make.com automation. And all the resources that we are using for this automation are available for you to download in our community section. So make sure that you join our community so that we can learn together. So let's first watch this short video that has been created in an automated way.
His daily tip on successful life. What is the key to a successful life? Set clear goals and stay committed to them. Follow our channel for more daily tips.
Okay, so now this video has got Sri's daily tips. So the name, we can save it in the sheet. Daily tips, we hard code in the automation. Then we have a question that comes as a subtitle and also as a voiceover. And then the answer also comes as a subtitle and a voiceover. Then we add a line asking them to subscribe to our channel. There you can put your channel name in the Google Documents settings page. We will see that. And then another interesting thing is you can pre-create an outro for your channel or for your business and attach it to this video so that the automated Q&A video or short that you create will also have an outro attached to it. So here is our outro.
Join Code, No-Code Architects to leverage these opportunities and let us automate your social media generation, create sales funnels, and implement AI chatbots for your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, so that is the video that we are going to generate using our very cost-effective Make.com automation. So let's now look at the scenario that we are going to build. So this is the scenario that we are going to build. This is the Google document. Please remember to watch our previous video where we are populating this Q&A. But for this video, you can even type your question and answer. Okay, so here I have some topics. Stress-free life, healthy life, happy life, extremely fit life, successful life. Now, based on that, we use ChatGPT to create these questions and answers. But we didn't do that manually. We used this very simple Make.com automation. The link to that video will be provided in this. So every time that automation runs, this will be populated. Okay, we will have a unique question and a unique answer. Now, this automation that we are going to do will convert this into a short form video and populate the URL here. So here you see two URLs that corresponding to these two question and answers. So that is what we are going to see. So this is how the scenario looks. Okay, and this is the flow. So we have Google Sheet, again another module Google Sheet, and then ElevenLabs to convert the question and answer and additional text to MP3 audio voiceover. Then we use Google Drive module to save the MP3 where we get a URL, and then we use JSON to video service. Very nice, interesting service. We send this as a JSON video design to JSON to video, which will generate the video for us. We have another HTTP request after a delay so that the video generation gets over within the time, and then we get the URL to the video. And then finally, we save that to the Google Sheet corresponding to the location where the question and answer came. Okay, so is that clear? Again, remember to join our community. All the information that we are providing with this is available for you to download. Resources, nice PDF, cheat sheet, ebook. They all can be downloaded for your quick reference because it is not easy to watch a video and build the scenario yourself. So you can refer to that PDF, which is just a 10-page PDF, which you can watch and set up this yourself. Okay, so now before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Google Doc where Q&A has a topic, a question, and an answer. Each row of this Google Sheet will be converted into a very short video. Then we have a settings page. This is the unique automation that we have done. in the settings page, you can put the name of the video creator so that it'll come as Sri's daily tips. You put your name and it'll come as your daily tips. And then a logo URL. So if you want to place a logo from your website, etc., you just pick the URL from your website and give that URL here. Then we have also added the website in case you want to mention your website. In the same mechanism, you can do that to yourself. And the channel ID also is provided. This is our channel. You can put your channel and also pick this and put it in the video. Here we have the interesting part of this automation is this one here. We are populating this with a random pixel video. Normally what I've seen in other make.com videos is you use make.com to automate this, use an Airtable, populate maybe 50 or 100 pixel video URLs and then randomly pick one from it. But in our case, we are going to get a random URL populated in this cell. How that happens is we have placed a formula. So here on this cell, we have a formula. The formula is also available in the PDF for you to access. That is, on this tab, we have saved 5. In our production setup, we save 50 or 100 pixel background videos. Interesting topic relevant videos, you place it. But the problem is we need to pick one random video URL from this. So for that, what we are going to do is we are using this formula. So every time this cell is updated, you will notice that this URL changes. See this? Every time this sheet is updated, the formula gets executed and the value in that cell gets another random URL. But how can we automate that? For that, we have put a cell here, any arbitrary cell. We are using a formula. So if you go to your Google Docs extensions app script, you will notice that we have added a tiny script to update the current time every 1 minute. Okay, so this is the script. Okay, so that updates that cell with the current time so that that page refreshes and then the URL changes. Clear? This script also is available for you to access. So that is this part, settings sheet. Then we come to Pexel videos that we have already seen. So this is the input to our video generation automation. Now let's get to our automation part. What we're going to do is, instead of building this again, the best thing to save your time is to go over each item and explain how that has been set up. So let's now look at the first module, which is search Google Sheets. I have already connected my Google Docs account. In your case, you may have to add, and it will open a new browser window where you will log in to your Google account, and then we pick the sheet ID. It's very easy to select the sheet ID. You can click here and type the name of your sheet and pick the sheet ID, or you can come here and copy the sheet ID from here. Okay, so this is the sheet ID. So those are the two ways you can get the sheet ID, and paste it here. Then you pick the tab that you are interested in. We are interested in getting a question and answer, which is in the Q&A tab. So if you look at our sheet has got a Q&A tab. So that is what this is going to search. And we are going to filter the video URL column, which is empty. So here I have told you that every time this automation runs, we will populate this with another URL. So we will pick another row that is empty. Okay, so sort order is not important because we are only picking one row from the Q&A sheet. Is this clear? Next, it's a good practice to add filters in your automation so that you don't waste make.com's operations credits. Okay, so here if you get one bundle, then only we'll proceed. Next is we are going to access the settings tab of our Google Docs, where we have the name, logo, URL. Okay, so here a table contains header and we pick one row. Okay, so we have the settings information and we also have the question and answer. Now what we're going to do is we will call ElevenLabs. I have already connected my ElevenLabs account. In your case, you will need to have a ElevenLabs account to get the API key. And here we are generating the text for the voiceover audio. So here first is Sri's. My name comes from the settings tab of the Google Doc. Then we have the topic that comes from the Q&A sheet. Then we have the question and answer. And we also follow our channel for more daily tips, and you can put your channel ID here. Okay, so no other change in the settings. So ElevenLabs is clear. Then we have Google Drive, where we select the drive folder path. Details will be there in the document for you to know, but it is very simple. Okay, so now here we pick the ElevenLabs speech synthesis data. Okay, and then what we will do is we will get a share link Google Doc module from make.com itself and get the file ID. The permission is anyone with this link will have access to the file. Okay, so then we call JSON to video. I have my API key there, and then we pass a JSON text. Now the entire JSON is provided in the documentation section, and here we put the logo URL. Here we pass the Google Docs MP3, and then here we have the Pexel randomly picked video URL, and we have a background music added here, which you can change, and you can also use the same Google Sheet logic to pick a random background music should you wish. Okay, so that is it. And then we wait for about 100 seconds or so. You see how long it takes. In our case, it took around 45 seconds. And then we make another call to JSON to video using the same HTTP maker request with the project ID from the previous HTTP call to get the URL to the MP4. And then finally, we, on the same row number that we got from the first call, we update the video URL. Is that clear? So let's run it and see the entire scenario happening. So while this is running, let's confirm that on our Q&A tab, we only have 2 URLs readied. After this scenario completes, we will have one more video populated. Okay, so it is submitted. So while we are waiting, let's look at the output. So here we have a topic, successful life. What role does failure play? Very interesting question. Failure is a stepping stone to success. So that is the question and answer that it picked up in the first module. Next module, it picked up the settings where my name Sri is picked up, logo, URL, etc. has been picked up, and also randomly picked up Pexel video is also there. Then ElevenLabs, it generated the MP3, Google Docs saved, and we got the file ID. And here we have the shareable ID, share link we got. That is what we are passing on to JSON to video, and we are waiting for JSON to video to get completed. And JSON to video's output, JSON to video's request content, if you see, we have our JSON that we have pasted. Remember, this JSON is available for you to download from our community section. Link is in the description. Then the output of this is our project ID of the JSON to video. That is what we pass here. Timer is over. So let's see if we have the output video MP4. Yes, we have the MP4 URL, and then here we are updating that specific row with the URL. Now let's look at our thing. See the third URL has been updated. Let's play this.
Three's daily tip on successful life. What role does failure play? Failure is a stepping stone to success. Follow our channel for more daily tips. Join No-Code Architects to leverage these opportunities and let us automate your social media generation, create sales funnels, and implement AI chatbots for your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So isn't it interesting? So now the outro part, we have added our outro. You create your own outro and provide the URL to your outro, and video generation will have your own outro. So that is the automation, and please remember to like and share and give your valuable comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Remember to join our community so that we can learn automation together. Especially no-code automation is the way to go. But every video that we create will have some unique advantage over rest of the purely make.com based automation. We'll try to avoid other cost elements like Airtable, etc., and use Google Sheet. Okay, so that is it for today. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.